In today's video, we will be discussing Canva's newest feature, Magic Presentation, which allows anyone to make a presentation within less than 5 minutes. So if you are hopping in here right now, we're going to be talking about Canva's new AI feature, which is basically about Magic Presentation. Is one of the few new features that they recently integrated and talked about at Canva Create. So log into your Canva account and let's get started. So once you are inside of your Canva account, right now they have the features kind of set up here for viewing. I'm sure after a while you can just type it up here and it will come up. Okay, so find presentation. You are going to click try it out. Once you do that, then it's gonna open up. Now, once it does open up, automatically you're gonna get the prompt or the little search bar that you have to enter the information for what you want. So for this tutorial, I'm gonna put a business proposal to get funding for a co-working space owned by women. Okay, so we're gonna go with that. Click there, allow for it some time to generate, and then let's see what it says. So clearly from just waiting for it to load up, we'll see that it has template styles and your style. So let's see how that generates and what does it look like. Okay, so your style is actually based on the colors of my personal brand. So that means that it pulled from the brand kits, it pulled that information over, and so that's where it came from. Then there's the template styles, which they give you a few options. Let's look into your style. Okay, not bad based on colors and following brand and all that stuff. Let's go on create my presentation and see what we have here. So it looks like they have definitely have the branding correct. That is definitely correct. No questions asked there. They don't have the fonts correct, but maybe that's also because I don't have the fonts in my brand kit as I'm filming this. But let's look at the information. So if this was to be presented, empowerment through collaboration, Okay, so it's a pretty good chunk of information to get a proposal started. So that's definitely wonderful so far. Now, I would definitely recommend this because it seems like it is a good starting point for a presentation. So I don't see why not. And then it looks like you can also use Canva Assistant to add recommendations and things like that to get other information in there as well. Yep, you can use that. So let's search amount of funding. Oh, that's if you want to do like pictures. So let's just search women co-working space. And see what comes up. Okay, so it gives you some options, some more templates, some photos, which is also good. So they're definitely giving you options as far, and you are even allowed to pull up from other projects that you've been working on as well. So then that way you could easily drag and drop the pictures and add them into whichever portion of the presentation that you may need. So I would give this a fair rating, and I definitely think it is worth the while in checking out Canva's AI feature. I'm really impressed that they have the branding down to par as far as in what colors and everything. So I love that. I can only imagine if I had the right fonts already linked to the brand kits, then that would also come up. Now the good thing is, of course, I could go in and then I could just duplicate as needed, and I could add in my contact information and things like that. So I think honestly it's a good start. I don't see why not test this out. What I'm not sure of is if you give it the information that you need for the presentation, would that work? But who knows? I'm sure they will be improving on this over time. So that's all, folks. So if